Small Business Saturday. What a great concept. This can't just be one random day in November, though. This idea has to be a movement. Our team helps all startups, not just people with great ideas for apps. We decided to show off some of the small businesses Codilation loves. I'm here with my friend Kenny, who owns your friend Kenny's
steam cleaning.
Obviously. So no. Can you tell us a little, like, we're such nerds. What is your business superhero origin story?
Well, my business superhero origin story would be, let's see, it's pretty much started off in Eugene, Oregon. Feels like many moons ago. Starting off with Stanley Steamer, actually. Kind of got on there, kind of part-time type thing, and discovered that I kind of dug it. It's kind of therapeutic. You know, watching dirty carpets go clean, it's kind of zen-ish.
Yeah.
So did that for a few years, and then reconnected with my now wife, Mary.
Yeah.
And
these are like my hot celebrity couple.
So I decided one day I'm just gonna make the move and moved 1,650 miles to be here with her, and then we've just built the business ever since.
Oh, that's crazy. And so, let's talk a little bit about the cleaning process.
Okay.
So, what happens when I get a steam clean?
Okay, so as far as steam cleaning goes, a lot of people, it's kind of a misconception when people think steam cleaning, because it's technically not cleaning with steam. It's more superheated water.
Okay.
So water boils at 212. We all know that from science class. Any of us nerds here do. So I'm cleaning at about 240 degrees, but it stays water because it's under pressure.
Sure.
So water under pressure can't turn to steam, but that's kind of what you want. You want water to be able to smack into that carpet, knock everything loose, and then get vacuumed up while sanitizing all at the same time and removing stains.
Holy cow. So,
yeah.
So how gross are normal carpets?
Grosser than you would think.
I don't know if I would, yeah.
I clean some apartments on occasion, and yeah, they can get pretty bad, but the thing is you don't see a lot of it.
Sure.
What you see on the surface is very superficial. It's what's below and settled on the backer of the carpet. Okay. That's really your trouble areas.
So my, Black Friday when Sears was a business, vacuum probably doesn't get to that level.
To a point, but not nearly as close as a commercial grade van mounted machine like mine will do. Mine has enough suction to literally pull paint off a wall, which I made that mistake one time. By dropping the hose, it went up against the lady's wall, pulled off literally a perfect circle of paint. Luckily, she was completely repainting her whole main floor later on that day anyway, so it didn't matter. But when I say it's strong enough to literally pull paint off a wall, it is literally strong enough to pull paint off a wall and whatever's in your carpet out of your carpet.
Yeah, I love it. And we're filming from my kitchen because I can't touch my carpet.
It's freshly cleaned literally within 10 minutes ago.
Love it. And so, a lot of people, holidays are coming up. Would you recommend before or after a gathering? Or what's the kind of timeline if someone wanted to get a hold of you?
So, cleaning before, as far as Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas coming up, New Year's. If you feel like you're going to be inviting people over to your house that aren't just absolutely going to destroy your carpet, and you want to, spruce up your house, make it look nice for the guests and all that stuff, get it done beforehand, knowing that everything's going to be dry within 6 to 8 hours, so that even if you got it done the night before, the day before, when everybody's coming over, you don't have to worry about them walking on wet carpets.
No one procrastinates at Christmas.
Oh no, not a single person does. No. But if you're going to be having a lot of kids over, or if my brother-in-law and sister-in-law are coming over and they're bringing their dogs, don't get your carpets done before the event.
Yeah.
Let them thrash your carpets. Give me a call afterwards. I will clean up their mess and make sure that your house is at least back to what it was before they came, or better.
Yeah, get all that baby and dog drool.
And the pumpkin pie getting spilled and the wine.
And so let's talk about, you're a lion tamer.
Yep.
You have this lion at your house.
I try to keep it on the low, but my My neighbors really don't like the lion, but actually they think she's really super cute. But she farts a lot. So you got that. And then trying to save the world because she's a princess. The last time when she was up in the tower.
Yeah.
Oh God, that was ridiculous.
I love it. And so then so let's talk about like when the lion gets mad.
Oh, when she hulks out?
Like that's terrifying.
It is, but at least she gives you a fair warning and actually kind of feels guilty about it, but she's like, stop. It's funny, she's only about that tall.
Yeah. Until the Hulk
she goes full lion Hulk.
Yeah. And then
lion ears and everything. Yep.
And it's getting holiday time. Remember that time when we drove around and we delivered presents?
Yep. And to that one hotel that where you had to actually climb up the balcony.
That's kind of your thing.
It's just what I do. You clean carpets and throw axes.
And that's how we save Christmas.
Yep.
We're just going to wrap things up because we're done. What can we do to help you, or how do we get a hold of you?
You can get a hold of me on either Facebook. Let's see, my direct number, which is also on my Facebook. Should I drop my number?
We'll just have Maddie do the thing.
Yep. I'll go
this
like this,
number.
and it's this number that's flashing up in my hands right now. Oh, here. Yeah, you guys can give me a call directly. I've always got my phone on me. If I don't answer, it's usually because I'm busy. And busy always either doing carpets or with family, but I'll always give you a call back.
Love it. And just small business. I know this guy. I love this guy. He's my friend Kenny. He'll be your friend Kenny too.
Good
if you give him a call. So yeah, see you guys next week.